Hey there! If you've been dreaming about hopping on a plane and exploring Sapporo, Japan, you're absolutely in the right place. I've got your back with everything you need to know to make your trip smooth, fun, and totally unforgettable. Let's kick things off with what Sapporo is famous for. First, the vibe here is just electric. Think bright city lights, snowy winters, and friendly locals ready to help you out. The city's got this cool blend of modern energy and laid-back charm that I just love. So, what should you do first? You cannot miss Odori Park. It's basically Sapporo's green heart, stretching for about a mile right through downtown. It's the perfect spot to chill, people watch, and if you time it right, catch the legendary Sapporo Snow Festival in February. Giant snow sculptures, light displays, food stalls. It's winter magic at its best. Up next, Sapporo TV Tower. This is the city's answer to the Eiffel Tower, and honestly, the views from the top are mind-blowing, especially at sunset. Grab your camera, trust me. Now, let's talk about food, because Sapporo is a foodie paradise. You have to try Sapporo ramen. I recommend heading to Ramen Alley, which is literally a narrow lane packed with tiny ramen shops, each serving their own twist on that rich miso-based broth. Pair it with fresh Hokkaido seafood like crab or salmon, and you're in heaven. If you're into history, check out the historical village of Hokkaido. This open-air museum transports you back in time with old houses, shops, and even horse-drawn carriages. It's like walking through a real-life period drama. Beer lovers, you can't skip the Sapporo Beer Museum. Not only do you get to learn all about one of Japan's most iconic beers, but yes, you can sample a glass or two at the end. For a taste of local life, stroll through Nijo Market. It's lively in the mornings, with vendors selling everything from fresh seafood to sweet melon slices. Grab a quick breakfast here before heading out to explore. If you're visiting in winter, make your way up to Mount Moiwa. You can take a cable car to the top, and the night views of Sapporo's city lights stretching out below, completely magical. And don't forget, Sapporo is a great jumping-off point for day trips. Think hot springs at Joseki Onsen or skiing at Niseko if you're feeling adventurous. So, quick recap. Eat all the food, catch city views, soak up the snowy festival vibes, and dive into local culture. Sapporo is packed with experiences that'll make your trip absolutely one for the books. Ready to start planning your adventure? Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, happy travels.